Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's lesson we are going to learn two words to sound like an advanced English learner, and for that we are going to use the Bible as a tool. The first thing we are going to do is to read the Bible verse to practice our pronunciation. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Psalm 46:1. The words we're going to analyze today are refuge and strength. Refuge is a state of being safe, sheltered from pursuit, danger or difficulty. He was forced to take refuge in the French embassy. In a safe place, this is the main meaning of this word. You might take refuge under a bridge in a hailstorm or in a basement during a tornado. The second word we have to sound like an advanced English learner is strength. It's the quality or state of being physically strong. Cycling can help you build up your strength. Admitting you have made a mistake is a sign of strength, not weakness. He showed great strength of character when he refused to accept the bribes. God is our refuge and strength. In Him we can rest, we can find a safe place, and He gives you the strength to keep going, gives you the power, every present help in trouble. Psalm 46:1. That's all for today's lesson. If you want to learn and to improve your English, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.